How to view replies on Threads app. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view replies on Threads application. For that, you need to first open your Threads application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here on this homepage, you need to scroll through your feed to find the post you want to see replies for. And once you find the post, you need to tap on the specific post to open it. This will show you the original post and any replies it has at the bottom. And once the post is open, you can scroll down to view all the replies and comments associated with that post. You can like, reply to, or share any of the replies if you want to engage with other users. So this process will allow you to view and interact with the replies to post within the Threads application. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.